and welcome back to Angie's Table. And today we're going to be making a healthy turkey chili. We already gave you guys a spoiler alert on our previous video that we're going to be making turkey, and it's, or not turkey, chili. It's really good. We're going to be making chili next. And it's the perfect timing for it because the weather is getting colder outside, and if you have a big batch of it, you can have it throughout the week, and it's just perfect. So let's go and check out these ingredients for this healthy dish. So first thing, we're going to be cutting up our onions and garlic, and after that everything's just coming out of a can, so it's super easy prep. We'll just add it to the same bowl. So today we're going to be using ground turkey breast, and if you guys like ground beef in it, you can feel free to do that, but I just like a little bit cleaner and leaner and not as greasy, so I'm going to be using that today. So for now, let's drizzle some olive oil in our pan. So now let's add in our turkey and our onions and garlic. Let's give this all a mix. There's something about the fall time where I just crave something really heavy, cold outside, and I want something that's warm and filling, whereas in the summer I want something light and fresh and super simple. So we eat this often in the fall time.
I do. I like hearty food when it's cold. It's just cozy.
So now we're gonna add all our spices to this mixture. Let's add in our chili powder. Some cumin. Some oregano. I love oregano. Some cayenne pepper for some spice. And lastly, our salt and pepper. So everything else I put back, but I'm gonna save the salt in case I need it for later for extra seasoning. So we're gonna mix this around real quick and then add in vegetable stock and our fresh tomatoes. That mix.
It looks really hearty.
Add in our kidney beans. I actually really like kidney beans. Some black beans. And corn for some sweetness. So let's close the lid and let it cook. This is pretty much done. You just let it reduce and do its job and let it cook. But in the meantime, do you guys know what it's time for? I'm actually gonna move this. Just wanted to move that and get it out of my way because I don't want to get burned while I do this part. And today's word of the day that we prepared is chuok, which means memories. And I don't know if any of you guys do this too, but like one of my favorite things about fall is seeing the leaves change color and going on a drive. I actually like drives by myself. I don't know why, it's just like a me time in my car, and I really enjoy those moments. And I listen to old school Korean songs. It just reminds me of old school days or like past days, and I like to reminisce about it. So I thought I can share that word with you guys. So today's word of the day is chuok, which means memories. And now we are gonna start with our topping. So I really like onions and a little bit of parsley. I love sour cream and extra cheese and jalapenos on top of my chili. So we're gonna get working on our toppings. Jalapeno, this is Grace's must-need item. Actually, let's check on the chili. Whoa. That looks really good, so just make sure to keep your eyes on that for a little bit and mix it time to time, and let's go back to our toppings. So the toppings that we just prepared are Grace's favorites, and mine are sour cream and cheese. The chili's been cooking for about 30 minutes, and so we should be good to eat. But if you guys want an extra rich flavor, just cook it for longer, for about an hour. But make sure it's on like a lower heat and you just keep mixing it throughout. So now it's time to eat. I'm so excited.
Can I eat?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, the jalapeno is spicy.
Wow. So good.
I will say, I kind of like my chili not too thick. But if they want it thicker, either add less water or cook it for longer. Right? But this is like literally perfect.
Wow.
The spice is like, the flavor's on point.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's so good. Oh, tortilla chips. Can I have some tortilla chips? I'm sorry, I'm like making you take your headphones off.
Good, right? I will say, like, I don't like turkey. I've tried turkey chili and I've never liked it. But this is like the best turkey chili I've ever had. Yeah, I don't like turkey bacon. I don't like turkey sausage. Like brown turkey, like my dog doesn't even eat bacon. But this is so
I like
good.
turkey. Don't you like the kidney beans? I don't know why I love kidney beans. I like kidney beans in my pastas too sometimes. So good. The spice profile is on point, like freaking on point. It's so good. You guys can make this into a chili mac just by adding some macaroni or like elbow noodles.
God. I gotta make this a lot in the fall time.
So this whole week, Grace has been making dinner for Kevin. Just been an Angie's Table week.
Yeah. Trying to use our
recipes.
Yeah, our recipes. It's been really good.
Oh my god. It's so good. It's better than any other chili I got anywhere else. It's just so clean.
Very lean.
So, I really hope you guys try this recipe out, and I hope this chili recipe keeps your fall and winter very warm. And we'll see you guys on our next video.